If you need to do your roots at home, this is the tutorial for you. Don't do it yourself, have a friend do it. That's a better way because you cannot reach the back properly, and then you will create spotches and over pigmentation, or you will not cover everything. And in case you need to go to a hairdresser later on to have your hair properly done, it's going to make it very, very difficult for them to work on hair that is uneven. So if you want to save some money and have your hair done at home, have a friend watch this tutorial and do it for you instead of doing it yourself, especially because the back cannot be reached properly on your own. As you can see, my client has around 2 months of regrowth and she has white hairs and brown hair. She's a level 5 natural with like 50% gray hair. So I'm starting in the front on her part and I apply my color without overlapping the previously colored hair. That is very important. By not overlapping, I will not create darker color, like a line of darker color, which will make it easy to work on in case she wants a balayage or something else later on. So this is a very important thing, to not overlap, because every time when you apply color on top of color, it will create a dark line, which will be very hard to make it even later on. I take very fine sections and I apply my product generously. So you have to apply a lot of product to make sure each hair, each strand is covered, especially when you're working with gray. When I reach the roundness of the head and the hair is more difficult to stay on top, I will start applying on a vertical manner just to make sure that I don't force the hair up. Like this, it makes it easier for me to apply and I don't need to overstretch the hair or push it and overlap product just to make the hair stay on one on top of the other. As you can see, my sections are very, very thin, almost like see-through, and I apply a lot of product to cover everything. Once I'm done with this section, I will start working on the other side again from the top, and I will go vertical once I reach the roundness of the head. The last part is the back, and again I work horizontally until I reach the roundness of the head, and it doesn't feel comfortable to do it like this. I will take it vertically again. As you can see, I'm holding each strand very, very soft and I'm not pushing the hair down with the brush. This is the last section I'm working in the back and I'm still doing it vertically until I'm done. At the end, I will check each section to make sure it was saturated, and here is the result. As you can see, her roots are very, very blended. She had a balayage done, very, very soft, and everything looks great.